So you guys, we're live here on Snapshot on Ethereum gas fees and checker fees WTF. So the WTF token airdrop plus one official NFT for eligible users. So you guys, your boy Akahilz live on Akahilz blog, tube. Uh, Feel free to like, share our videos if you find them beneficial. Our subscribe button is down below this video, so you want to click on it so you stay notified whenever we drop beneficial updates. So on this news, it says uh, WTF token airdrop. So we're going to be looking at fees.wtf. So we're going to go over to these, learn more. I'm going to click on it. So live here on Apollox, you want to join up so you get updated on crypto news and more. So as a trader, you also want to be part of these Apollox, so you get some benefits. Their fees, trading fees are usually very minimal. So if you're always complaining about high gas fees on ETH, blockchain fees.wtf may be your conversation for it. So before block 139,164.50, as long as you spent a minimum of 0.05 ETH gas fees, you are eligible to claim the WTF airdrop and official fees.wtf one-on-one NFT. So to claim your airdrop, you just need to go to the website, connect your wallet, and claim. So the fees WTF was built in 2019 and was originally only a tool to inform users how much gas fees they had spent on the Ethereum blockchain. However, with the increasing popularity of DAO and airdrops based on on-chain activities, fees.wtf is creating some hype in the market with their token airdrop and other plans to build a DAO for future development. So the good is that lower barrier to claim the airdrop for the same concept. Gas DAO's previous airdrop required you to have spent at least $1,559,000, $1,559, uh, while fees.wtf only requires minimum of 0.08 ETH, which is around $186 before block 139,164.50. Additional NFT packs, users are eligible to get the NFT, can also claim official Rect NFT. The NFT will grant access to an upcoming pro dashboard. The bad thing is that it claimed with high gas fee. Although WTF seems to be compensation for high gas fees on Ethereum, when users claim WTF to transfer to their wallet, they regularly still need to bear gas fees. Sometimes the gas fee may be equal or higher than the value of WTF they've claimed, depending on the activity of the chain. There is low liquidity due to insufficient tokens in the liquidity pool. Once users have claimed the token, they may not be able to sell uh, WTF or may need to sell at a relatively high slippage. To address this, the team said they will provide more liquidity. So guys, this is one of the importance of liquidity in the crypto space. So I hope you find this update beneficial. Stay tuned for more and check out this WTF token airdrop so you can benefit from it. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe so you get notified for more and support us by subscribing, guys. Peace out.